Today, I'm going to show you how to get a meeting using Zoom in N8n in just a few simple steps. If you work with automations, this is a really useful way to connect Zoom into your workflow so you can pull meeting details without doing everything manually. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8n guides. Now let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This can be an existing automation or a new workflow that you're building from scratch. Once you're inside the workflow canvas, look over to the Nodes panel so you can add a new step. From the Nodes panel, choose Zoom. You can usually search for it quickly if you don't want to scroll through all the available options. Once you find the Zoom node, click it to add it to your workflow. After that, choose Get a Meeting. This is the action that lets you retrieve meeting information from Zoom. It's the part of the setup where you tell N8n exactly what kind of Zoom data you want to pull. Now it's time to configure what you want. This is where you set the meeting details or parameters needed for your workflow. Make sure the values match the meeting you want to access and adjust any available fields based on your use case. If your workflow needs specific meeting information, set those options here carefully so everything runs the way you expect. Once your configuration is in place, save the node and test the workflow to make sure it's returning the meeting data correctly. If everything looks good, your Zoom Get a Meeting step is ready to use inside N8n. And that's it. You've now set up Zoom in N8n to get a meeting. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automation tutorials just like this one.